Thank you for joining today's class. In this class, we are going to discuss about the conditional operator. That conditional operator is also known as the ternary operator. The conditional operator has the name conditional operator because it takes a condition, okay? And the ternary operator is the name of that operator because it has three parts. Now we will see how does the conditional operator look and how does it work. I will explain this with an example. Say this is a conditional operator. The conditional operator that has the three parts. The parts are, first part is the condition. Then there will be a part after the symbol question mark and there will another part after the symbol colon. Okay. So the first part is the condition. This is the condition x greater than 5 is the condition here. And the second part, that means the part after the question mark symbol, will work if the condition is true. And the third part, that means the part after the colon, will work if the condition is false. Okay. So let's explain this with an example. Here the value of x is equals to 2. Now this x greater than 5 gives us the false value, right? 2 is not greater than 5. So which part will work? Yes, the part after the colon will work. This 4 will be saved in the as a value of y. So here the output must be 4. Let's check what the output is. See, the output is 4. Okay, now I am changing the value. Say the value of x I am giving here 25. Now 25 is greater than 5. So the part after the question mark will work now. So the value of y will be saved as 3 after executing this statement. So the output must be 3. Let's check. See, the output is 3. Hope you have understood the working principle of the ternary operator. Let's explain some another examples as well. This is the second example. Here the value of x is equals to 70. Now the condition part is up to this. We have used the logical operators also. We have learned the logical operator in the previous video. Here we are using the AND operator. X is greater than equals to 65. This part is true because the value of x is equals to 70. Now x is greater than equals to 65. Yes, it is true. And the second part is x is lesser equals to 90. This part is also true because 70 is lesser equals to 90. So both part of the AND operator is true. So it will give the true value. True value means the part after the question mark will work. So the value of y will be 1. So the output must be 1. Let's check. See, the output is 1. Now if I am changing the value of x to 700, now what it becomes, x is greater than equals to 65. Yes, it is true, but x is not lesser equals to 90. So this part is becoming false. अब AND ऑपरेटर का एक पार्ट फॉल्स हो जाता है तो टोटल कंडीशन जो है वो फॉल्स बन जाएगा. So the false part will work. That means the part after the colon will be used here. So 0 will be saved in y. So here the output of this statement must be 0. Let's check. See, it is 0. Hope you have understood. Let's move on to the next question. Here the value of x is equals to 0. Now we are checking whether the value of x is equals to 1 or not. No, the value of x is not equals to 1. So the false part will be executed. That means the CAC part will be executed. Let's check. See, the CAC is the output. Now I am putting x is equals to 0. So here the condition is true. So the get up part must be executed. See, get up is the output. Hope you have understood. Let's move on to the next question. Here it is another example and it is a very interesting one because here we are using nested ternary operator. How it is working? See, the value of a is equals to 9 here, b equals to 10 and c equals to 7. Now at first we are checking whether a is greater than b or not. So the value of a is 9 and b is 10, so a is not greater than b, so it will go to this colon part, third part it will go. So here we are checking b greater than c or not. Yes, b is greater than c. So this part, that means this b will be stored as a value of x. Here b will be stored as the value of x. So the value of x must be 10. Greatest number is 10. So here what the logic we are applying, we are checking at first a is greater than b or not. If a is greater than b, then again we are checking a is greater than c or not. If a is greater than c, then a will be stored. Now, if A is not greater than B, we are checking B is greater than C or not. If B is greater than C, then B will be stored. That means eventually we are seeing whatever the greatest number is, the greatest number is being stored in X. So here already we have seen the greatest number of B is 10. Therefore, the 10 is the output. Now we are changing. We are putting the value of A is equals to 90. So now 90 is the biggest one. Let's see how the code works. See, the output is 90. Again, I am putting the value of C equals to 700. So let's see how the code works. See, the value is 700. So this nested ternary operator is able to find out the greatest number among three numbers given. Hope you have understood. If you have any more problem or any query regarding the ternary operator, please write it in the comment box. I will surely answer. Thank you.